Hi, this is Matt Kufo. We're going to talk about basic engine operation. Really all it is. So let's kind of go through those things. For starters, an engine is a machine used to convert heat energy produced from burning fuel into mechanical power. That's really all it is. But unlike engines, motors do not use combustion to produce energy. Okay? So how that works is this. Combining oxygen with the fuel releases heat through a chemical reaction called combustion. That's all it is. So as it compresses, combusts, we have power. Alright? So with engines, they're classified basically by two major classifications. It's the type of the engine system and the operating cycle is it. So most engines used in commercial vehicles are reciprocating engines, which basically saying convert the up and down motion, so the pistons when they rise and fall, in the cylinders to the rotating motion of the crankshaft. So what it's talking about is as the pistons go up and down, the crankshaft goes round and round. Pretty simple, okay? So in the pistons, they have rings in them and they seal the gases in the cylinder. So what it does is you have oil on the bottom, gases on top. All right, oil's lubricating everything, so as the it goes up, it compresses the gas, and then that's where you get your power, because the explosion forces it back down. Okay, so the intake and exhaust valve control the gas flow in and out of these cylinders. So intake brings it in, exhaust goes out. Pretty simple. You know, don't have to go too technical into that. All right. So valve operations is controlled by what's called a camshaft. Now, the camshaft, which lifts and lowers the valves, all right, and what it is the way that's operated, it actually has, it's not just a straight shaft, all right, it actually has like ovals set up into it. So as it rotates, you know, the piston goes down, forces the other piston back up, and so on and so forth. So as it, just like your hands, you bring your one hand up, the other hand goes down. So it's nothing more than like a pulley system, okay? But it operates the engine. All right, so with the valve train, it consists of gears, chains, belts, okay, and synchronize it in the valve for the timing camshaft. Flywheels, more, they just help with the smooth crankshaft power, which goes into the transmission, which continues on, okay? So a lot of times you hear stuff about stroke ratio. Can't talk. So the stroke ratio of an engine determines whether the engine is used to haul heavy loads at low speeds or operate at high speeds. Okay, what they're talking about with that is this. Say semi, heavy duty truck. It's gonna have hauling heavy loads. All right, it's gonna have a low. Okay, a high ratio, you know, you're gonna be able to go, say, funny cars, NASCARs, you know, stuff that's gonna go fast. All right, so one of the big things is like, say, a diesel engine. Diesel engines have a high compression ratio, which converts more fuel energy into combustion force. All right, increasing the compression ratio reduces fuel consumption. So what they're talking about is you want the better fuel efficiency. Diesels have really good fuel efficiency. So with it, they increase the compression ratio, which reduces fuel consumption, but still gives out more power, because diesels are set up for that. Now, pretty simple in this sense, you know, engine, you know, then you get into like the engine torque, which is the twisting force of an engine produced by the flywheel, torque output, stuff like that. All right, hopefully that kind of explains the basic operation of an engine. It's pretty simple.